Hi there, welcome to these practice questions on being able to divide large numbers. What I'd like you to do now is to pause the video and have a go at these 4 questions. Then when you're happy with your answers, then restart the video and go through the model answers with me. So if you pause the video now and have a go at questions 1, 2, 3 and 4. Hi, welcome back. Let's now go through these together. So we're going to do these divisions, we're going to use the bus stop method. Most of these are going to do short division. The last one I'm going to use a long division method. So the first one, question 1. We write down 3 into 5, 8, 8. And we start off and say, how many times does 3 go into 5? Well, 3 into 5 goes once. And there's 2 remainders. So we write this little 2 here in front of the 8 as our 2 remainders. 3 into 28, well, that goes 9 times. But 9 and 3 is 27, so we've got 1 remainder, which we put here on top of the 8. And then we do 3 into 18, which goes 6 times. So our answer for this first one, 196. So we've got question 2 now, same sort of method. So we write down 5 into 9, 1, 8, 5. 5 into 9 goes once, but there's 4 left over, which we write above the 1. 5 into 41, well, that goes 8 times. Again, there's 1 left over. We write that on top of the 8. 5 into 18, well, that goes 3 times. There's 3 left over this time, so we write that on top of the 5 here. And then 5 into 35 goes 7 times, and we get our answer 1, 8, 3, 7. Question 3 then. Exactly the same method. I'm going to do 7 into 4971. This time 7 into 4 won't go. So we cross out the 4 but say there's going to be 4 remainder. Put that on top there. 7 into 49 now goes 7 times. Now there's no remainders on that, so we go straight on to 7 into 7. Which goes once, no remainders again, so 7 into 1, well, that won't go, so we get 710. But of course this 1 here is a remainder, so instead of just writing 710 remainder 1, I'm going to write this as a fraction, so I get 710. I put the 1 remainder here, and because we were dividing by 7, that becomes the denominator of our fraction, which gives us 710 and 1/7. Okay, last one here, question 4. I'm going to use a long division method for this one. Now if you watched the tutorial, I told you that when you're dealing with larger numbers, you perhaps might not know your 13 times table off the top of your head, so it's a good idea to write it down. And then if we write this down just up to 10, 52, 65, 78, 91 and 104, that's just up to 9. That should be enough here. Now we've got this here to refer to. So we set this up, 13 into 8, 2, 1, 6, 1. And now I'm going to use the long division method. So I start off, do 13 into 8, well that won't go, so I'd cross out the 8, put it up there. 13 into 82, now I can see here that it won't go, it's 91, there is 7 times, it won't go that many, so we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, it only goes 6 times, we write the 6 up the top there, but underneath the 82, 6 13s are 78, we write that there. We then take 78 away from 82 to leave us with 4. 13 into 4 won't go, so we bring down this 1. And we say 13 into 41. Well, that goes 3 times, and 3 13s are 39, so we write 39 underneath there. And we take away. 41 take away 39, now leaves us with 2. 13 into 2 won't go. We bring down this 6 here and do 13 into 26, which goes twice. and 2 13s are 26. If we take that away from 26, we're left with 0. 13 into 0 won't go, so we bring down this one. And 13 into 1 won't go either. So we know that if we put 0 up the top there, 13 into 1 won't go, so we know that we've got this one remainder. So again, we could write that as a fraction. Our answer would be 6, 3, 2, 0. The 1 remainder, and because we're dividing by 13 this time, it becomes 1 over 13.